subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new mid-range phone in China called Motorola Edge S with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Edge S features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and a tall 21:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports HDR10 and it has a dual hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 16-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash, microphone and a TOF sensor. The triple rear camera includes 64-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 121-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 6K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge S is the first phone to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with MyUI skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 20 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication and it is IP52 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.38 by 73.97 by 9.69 millimeters and it weighs around 215 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Edge S has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2399 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Emerald Light and Snow and Mist color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 3rd. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge S 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.